Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a Safeline drop-through metal detector. A 6-inch port. It's designed to mount from the mounting lugs on each side of the detector. They're usually a form, fill, and seal, any type of flow of vertical material, usually powders. You can run liquids as well. It's operating on 220 single-phase voltage. Little red wire you see sticking out there that's not connected, that's for your reject circuit. We have a number of samples here, a variety of different metals we've created, and we just stick it right in. You'll hear the thing. I'm going to show you again. Let me on the gauge here. Here's a sample of steel. We have a little ball right in the end into the detector. I'll show you once again. It's seeing all metal, steel, and stainless we're testing right now. And just to show you, this is just under 1/8. We're going to put in, and really it sees it in the first couple inches into the detector. I'll show you what that looks like here. You can hear the detector operating. We have lots of metal detectors in our stock, as well as everything in process and packaging, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us in this video today.